From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. Here with your CNET afternoon forecast. I'm student meteorologist Amanda Reynolds here from the Penn State Campus Weather Service for your Friday afternoon forecast. Looking at Beaver Stadium this afternoon, actually looks very nice out there. Just a few puffy clouds, but again, you can see that beautiful blue sky. Current temperature here at 36 degrees here in State College. Winds out of the northwest at around 10 miles per hour, so it does feel a little bit cooler than that, right around 28 degrees. But again, with that sunshine warming us up very nicely, so it's feeling quite nice out there. Kind of looking forward towards the week ahead and kind of the highlights over the next couple of days, something to look forward to. The calm weekend, this weekend actually looks to be very nice, very similar to today. We are looking at the chance for a system to move through Monday night and into Tuesday, along with a cooling trend for parts of early next week, and I'll have details on that in just a moment. Your current temperatures across the state of Pennsylvania, not really much to talk about. Back towards the northwest, it is a little bit cooler. Bradford, our cool spot at 25 degrees. Lake Erie, right off the lake at around 32. And Philadelphia, our warm spot at 43 degrees. Zooming out again, very similar. That large area of cold air has pushed its way towards the East Coast, so many areas along the east seeing temperatures right around or just below freezing. Down towards the south again, a little bit warmer, but Norfolk, Charlotte, and Nashville all in the 40s this afternoon. Looking at the current radar and satellite, not really much here in Pennsylvania, just a few scattered lake effect flurries that we saw move through the area today. But what the real story is the cold front that pushed its way off the coast and actually brought quite a bit of snow for areas of New Jersey and in New York, and it's now making its way to Boston. It's just making its way out of Boston as they've seen quite a few inches of snow from this system. Looking forward through this weekend, your future weather, not really looking to have much of an impact, just a few scattered clouds throughout the day on Saturday. Temperatures when you wake up tomorrow morning, right around 28 here in State College, and again, mid to upper 20s throughout most of the state, warming up to around the upper 30s for tomorrow afternoon with just a few of those clouds, cooling back off Sunday night down into the 20s and back up Sunday into the 40s. But then keep an eye out for this next system. There's going to be some moisture coming up from the coast, as well as another system coming from the west, and that's going to impact our weather through Monday night. Again, talking about that. So basically the way this is going to set up is there's a large pocket of cold air is going to make its way our way, along with this low pressure system that's going to be bringing some moisture from the west. But there's also going to be another low pressure system coming from the southeast and off the coast. So that's going to bring in some of that moisture that will fuel what's likely going to be some snow for Monday night into Tuesday. Exactly how much snow and how strong this system is will depend on how close this low pressure system is to the coast. If it gets closer to the coast, we're likely to see more of those impacts here in State College. Otherwise, it may be a little more confined towards the coast. So for this evening, this Friday evening in State College, actually looks to be relatively nice, a little bit chilly and breezy around 6 p.m., dropping around 32 and cooling off to around 27 by midnight. But again, looks relatively nice if you would go out, for example, downtown this evening. But for tomorrow, again, a mix of sun and clouds, a little bit warmer, temperatures climbing up to about 41 degrees as the winds are going to shift to be out of the southwest at around 5 to 10 miles per hour, so bringing a little bit more of that warm air in our direction. So looking at your 7-day forecast for again, the mix of sun and clouds for tomorrow, more sunshine for Sunday as temperatures are in the 40s, so above average. But again, for Monday and Tuesday, temperatures drop back down with that next shot of cool air. Again, with those two low pressure systems, we're going to be dropping back into the 30s with the chance for those snow showers. Into Wednesday, we cool down just a little bit more with mostly cloudy skies, and that sticks around through the end of next week. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Amanda Reynolds. Have a great weekend.